Good morning to all and heartily welcome to Gurdeva e-learning class. Yes, my dear students, what we have learned in the previous videos? Yes, in the previous videos you learnt about subtraction, right? Okay, we successfully finished the subtraction chapter and we will move to a new chapter. Do you know which is that? Yes, our new chapter is fractions. Yes, my dear children, in this fraction concept, it is a new concept to you. You didn't learn in the previous class, means in the first standard. It's a new concept for you. Okay, so now I am reading the subcontent of the fraction chapter. All of you open your textbook and open the page number 66. Children, so look here, first chapter, numbers 100 to 999. The second one, addition. Third one, subtraction. Now come to the fourth chapter, that is fraction. So students, I am reading the subcontents. All of you listen here. The first one, what are fractions? Second one, 1 of, 1/3 and 1/4 fraction. Third one, fraction as a division. Last one, expressing shaded part as a fractions. So my dear children, so these are the subcontents of our new chapter, fractions. So all of you once again open the page number 115 in your textbook. So my dear students, so look here. Here is a page number 115. Here is your fourth chapter, that is fractions. Okay students, so look here. Here is a let's recall part. Okay. In that part, they gave some pictures. Okay. Yes, my dear students, in the class first, means already you know how to draw the some pictures like star, ball, circle, square, rectangle, triangle, right? You know already how to draw these pictures. Okay. So by using that, in the let's recall part, they gave some pictures. Okay, so once again, all of you observe the page number 150. They gave some pictures, but they are incomplete, right? So now you have to complete it by using your pencil. Are you ready to do? Children, look here. Here are some pictures, but they are incomplete. So you have to complete it. Means you have to draw the other half. They gave only half picture. You have to draw the other half. Are you ready to do? Yes, all of you take your pencil with scale. See here, it just looks like a star, but it is incomplete. Now I will complete it by using scale. All of you observe and later draw in your book also. Okay. So first, next, so all of you observe here, I showed in the same way you have to complete this. So now it's a complete star. Okay, so like that you have to complete. Come to the second picture. So look here, what is this? It is a piece of cake, but they gave only half picture. You have to complete the other half. Are you ready to do? Yes, look here. First, it is in triangle shape, right? So now you have to complete this with the help of your scale. Okay. So now all of you observe here. Now it is a complete piece of cake. Okay. Let's come to the next one. Which shape it is? It is in the shape of heart. So what it looks like a leaf also. Okay. they gave only half part. You have to draw the other half. Okay. Okay. Now it is a complete heart or a leaf. Come to the last picture. It just looks like a circle, right? They gave only half part. Now I will complete the other half. See, now it's a complete circle. Okay, we successfully completed the other half of the pictures. Have you enjoyed this activity? Yes, I sure know. Like that you have to do in your textbook and send photocopy without missing. So already you know our today's topic is about fractions. So in today's class I will teach about what are fractions. Do you know that? You don't know, right? Children, so first observe this activity. Children, look here. What is this? It is an watermelon, right? It's a big fruit. Okay. So now I want to distribute this whole watermelon to a child. Okay. So now look here. See, this child got the complete watermelon fruit. Okay. So now, my dear children, observe here which fruit it is. It is an apple, right? Okay. So observe here, how many children are there? Here are 2 children. So now I want to share this whole apple between these 2 children. Yes, now you tell me, how can I share this one apple between these 2 children? How can I share? Yes, I know what you are thinking. With the help of knife, I am dividing this whole apple into 2 equal parts. Then both the child get half of the fruit, right? So now look here. So here both the child get half of the fruit equally. All of you observe the word equally. Okay. So my dear students, so these equal parts are called fractions. Yes, what are fractions? The fractions are the parts of a whole. In this picture, this apple is there, no? This is one complete whole, means it's a complete fruit. Okay. What I did? I shared the whole apple between 2 children equally. Both the child get half of the fruit, right? So this each part are called as a fractions. It's just a part of a whole, right? It is a one part of a apple, and here is also another one half. Here is a 2 parts, right? In the one complete apple, we divided it into 2 equal parts, or a halves, or a pieces. So it is called as a one half. Ardha bhaga anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅದು. It's one half and it is also one half. How can you denote in mathematically? Yes, this one half I am writing as a 1/2. Okay. So what is this 1/2? It is a one part out of 2 equal parts. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Okay. So it is a one part. It's one half is a one part out of 2 equal parts. So this is also one half. Same I am writing as a 1/2. Right? So how can you write this? It is a 1/2 or 1/2 or 1/2. All also right. If you combine these 2 pieces, okay? If you combine these 2 pieces, what you will get? Again you are getting one complete apple, right? So here, how many halves are there? Yes, children. children, so here half, it is a singular word. It's only a singular. So more than one, it is halves. See here, Halves. Halves. It is a plural form. It is a singular form. Okay. So here, how many halves are there? One, and here is another one. Total 2 halves. If you combine the 2 halves, again you are getting one complete fruit. Okay. So now I will move to the another one example. Children, observe here. Which shape it is? Yes. So look here, all the sides are equal. So it is a square. Okay. So now I am dividing this square into 2 parts. All of you observe here. So now I am dividing this whole square into 2 parts. Yes, here is a one part, here is another one part. Are they equal? Means these 2 parts, are they equal? No, right? It is in big size, it is in small size. So now it is not a fraction. Yes, the same square now I am dividing equally. All of you observe here. With the help of scale, I am dividing the whole square into 2 equal parts. Now you tell me, are they equal? Yes, they are in equal. But in the previous picture, they are not equal. So it is not a fraction. It is a fraction. Okay. So fractions means it is a parts or piece of a whole, and the pieces must be in equal. So it is a fraction. Okay. ನೀವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ನಾವು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Yes, my dear students, so what is this? It is a single sheet of paper. Okay, it is a complete whole paper, right? So now I am dividing this complete paper into 3 equal parts. So now look here. Here are 3 equal parts. Are they unequal? Yes. Observe all the parts. They are equal. How can you represent the each part in mathematically? Yes. So it is a one part, right? It is a one part out of how many parts are there totally? 3 parts, right? So write here 3. So one part out of 3 equal parts. 3 equal part nalli idu one part. Okay. So next, the second one, it is also one part out of 3 equal part. So write down 1/3. Okay. So next, last one also same. It is also a one part out of 3 equal part. So here, how can you read this? 1/3 or 1/3 or 1/3. I'll also write. Okay. So here the each part are called as a fractions. Yes, now I will go to the next example. Children, what is this? Yes, you are right. It is a chapati. So now I am dividing this whole chapati into 4 equal parts. So now all of you observe here. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. The total number of equal parts are 4 here. Yes, now how can you represent in mathematically? Yes, it is an first part, right? It is an one part out of the total number of equal parts are 4, right? So write here 4. 1/4. It is a one part out of 4 equal piece of chapati. The second one is also 1/4. Look here. Second one also 1/4. Third one also, it's a one part out of 4 equal parts. And the last one, it is also 1/4. So these are called the fractions. In a one complete whole chapati, we divided equally into 4 equal parts. Each parts are fractions. Okay? Yes, now you tell me what are fractions? The fractions are a parts of a whole. Fractions are a parts or a piece of a whole are called fractions. Yes, have you enjoyed this activity? Yes, students, so this is about what are fractions and some beautiful examples. Okay, in the same way, I am giving some homework to you. You have to complete that work in your home and send photocopy to me. Yes, all of you pen down. Look here, this is your homework. I am reading the first one. Listen here. Draw a circle and make it into 8 equal parts and write each part in a fraction. At first, write down one circle. Okay, for example, I am showing here in roughly. So, it is a circle, right? And you make it into 8 equal parts. So, now I made it into 8 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And write each part means so you have to write down the each part in a fraction. Okay? The next one. Draw a square. Make it into 4 equal parts. So here already I showed in circle. In the same way you have to write down. You have to draw a square and make it into only a 4 equal parts. Okay? And write down the each part in a fraction. Okay, so this is your today's homework. You should complete this and send photocopy to me without missing. Yes, my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this class. In the next class, I will meet with the new concept. Okay students, bye.